2. What is good with y'all, man? What's going on? It's a beautiful day outside. But anyway, it's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Go Weezy. Weezy up, baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green, and you know we go back like 2 flats on the Cadillac, baby. Hey, man, about to give y'all some early reviews. I'm at work. We got some things, man. Y'all see, y'all know. I'm at the back of the store. I gotta work, but I'm waiting on them to come in. But, hey!
Go Weezy.
What's up, my boy?
Man.
So yeah, we in the back. Show y'all what we got, man.
That hoodie.
Appreciate it. Hey! We got them Barclays in here. I think I already showed y'all. Well, I showed y'all the Griffies on my Instagram. We got some things in here. Got them 9s. Got them Super Bowl things. Let's see what else we got, man. All right, guys. So y'all get ready for these, man. Hey, let me get that thing right quick. Hey, now this is a grade school size. Our men's pairs haven't came in yet, but don't worry. Be patient. We will have them. They're gonna be everywhere. This is not gonna be a hard shoe to get, and the shop drop is definitely gonna come. But I ain't gonna ramble anymore, man. So we have the Air Jordan 6 Retro. This is a grade school, and the colorway is white, Carmine black, and this is a size 7 Foot Locker box. Let y'all see that. Whew. Let's go ahead and drop the top of them things, man. Y'all know how we do it. You got your green stamp right there. We got regular tissue paper, just regular paper. And y'all know the grade school pairs. The grade school pairs, they do come with the little Jordan sticker. Let y'all see that, but y'all don't care about that. Like I said, our men's pairs haven't come in yet. And look at them things. Look at these things, man. Now, I know a lot of people have been waiting on this one. Y'all done seen a lot of early reviews and a lot of questions. Will they shop drop? Well, I got word that these will shop drop, so y'all just be on the lookout for that. But I'm not worried about the shop drop. I probably won't even think about the shop drop because y'all know I'm trying to use my discount on these. But other than that, here we have it. The first time since 1991 when MJ laced these things up with the Nike Air on that ass. The Nike Air on that booty, y'all. First time since 91. Now, they did retro back in the Countdown Pack in 2008. And the last time we seen these was 2014, if I ain't mistaken. And I got hold on the 2014 pair. Y'all can imagine how I feel right now just having these. But going into quick detail of the sneakers, starting with the outsole. So we got that So Icy, that Gucci Mane outsole with the red Jumpman in the middle. And I love the So Icy outsoles because it preserves the sneaker over time, like at least the sole of it. You know, I like the milky soles on like the Travis Scott 6s. But it's just something about that So Icy sole, man. That Gucci Mane sole, that's what I call them. All right, now, head up into this side. We got it outlined with midsole with the black. Let y'all see that. And then we got this red. Now, I know on camera, it looks like a true red or a gem red. But in person, bruh, these things look like it's a blood red. They look like human blood red. Like, they gonna be all out here with the bloods, man. Sue whoop to all my boys out there, you feel me? It's like, I'm not gang affiliated. I'm sorry, y'all. But I do, you know, I rock with everybody, so it don't matter, man. But yeah, when you see this in person, they definitely gonna be blood red. All right, now, the lace lock. The lace lock is different too. On one side, we have the Jumpman, and on the other side, we have the Nike logo. Let y'all see that. All right, and y'all see the hang tag and everything like that. Jumpman on the front of that thing, and like I said, we got Nike Air on the back of that ass. I don't know if y'all can see this, but on the insole, we have a black insole with Nike Air in white. Let y'all get a good look at that thing right there. And yeah, man, now I know the men's pair will retail for 200 of them rump shakers, so hey man, that's tax time anyway, and plus we about to go back. In quarantine, so they about to send us another little stimulus. We about to get another stimmy out here, man. So make sure y'all put some money to the side. 200 of them rump shakers. I can't wait till the booty club open back up anyway, because I love some rump shaking, you feel me? And now the kids pairs, these kids pairs will retail for $140. So y'all coming out in full family sizing, so we all know how I go down in the hood, man. Tax time, you know, that's like Black Christmas right there, you feel me? Hey, I know the family gonna get these. If I had me a little family, I probably would, because I like OGs. I'm an OG Jordan type of guy. But I'm gonna give y'all some quick B-roll of this thing, man. We gonna hop off and end this thing on off, man. And here we have it once again, the Air Jordan 6 Retro Carmine. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Are you feeling these? Are y'all waiting for the shock drop? If you're gonna wait, like I said, there's gonna be a lot of pairs of these. If you want these, you shouldn't take any L's. I don't think anybody's gonna take any L's on these. If you do the proper footwork, make sure you do everything on the apps and all that, you'll get them, man. We already got a million pairs in kids, so I can imagine what we're gonna have in men. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section below. But once again, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, Weezy F baby, as usual. And y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace, and all this beef. Put some chicken grease on that thing. Out of here.